Welcome back to English Practice PB. Today we will learn 50 essential Japanese words and how to say them in English. If you want to speak like a native, make sure to watch until the end, because the last 10 words are the most important for daily life. Let's practice together. Ohayo, Ohayo. Good morning. Good morning. Konnichiwa, konnichiwa. Hello, hello. Konbanwa, konbanwa. Good evening, good evening. Arigato, arigato. Thank you, thank you. Sumimasen, sumimasen. Excuse me, excuse me. Gomen nasai, gomen nasai. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Hi, hi. Yes, yes. Ie, ie. No, no. Sayonara, sayonara, sayonara. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Jane, jane. See you, see you, see you. Onegai shimasu, onegai shimasu. Please, please. Dozo, dozo. Here you go, here you go. O genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? How are you? How are you? Genki desu, genki desu. I'm fine, I'm fine. Itadakimasu, itadakimasu. Let's eat, let's eat, let's eat. Gochiso-sama. Thank you for the meal, thank you for the meal. Gochiso-sama. Thank you for the meal. Ittekimasu, ittekimasu. I'm leaving, I'm leaving. Itterashai, itterashai. Take care, take care. Tadaima, tadaima. I'm home, I'm home. Okaeri, okaeri. Welcome home, welcome home. Otsukare-sama, otsukare-sama. Good job, good job. Shigoto, shigoto. Work, work. Gakko, school. Gakko, school. 勉強 study. 勉強 study. 家 house. 家 house. 眠い sleepy. 眠い sleepy. 疲れた tired. 疲れた tired. かわいい cute. かわいい cute. That is all for today. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to subscribe to English Practice PB. See you in the next video. Bye bye.